Did you know that waste can sit in your colon for days, sometimes even weeks, without moving properly, releasing dangerous toxins that silently poison your body? That's right. Studies show that a sluggish colon is directly linked to fatigue, bloating, weight gain, gas, memory problems, and even a weaker immune system, especially in older adults. If you're over 50 and have been struggling with constipation, irregular bathroom habits, or just feel heavy and low on energy, this could be the silent cause. The truth is, as we age, our colon becomes slower, weaker, and less effective at pushing out waste. The muscles that once moved our food through the digestive system like clockwork now become lazy. Add to that the fact that most seniors drink less water, eat less fiber, and move less than before, and it becomes a recipe for digestive disaster. Food that is supposed to be eliminated in a day or two ends up sitting in your gut, fermenting, rotting, and spreading toxins into your bloodstream. This can make you feel sick, even when you don't know why. And if you've ever felt constipated or bloated for days, you know just how uncomfortable and draining it can be. But what if I told you that you can fix this problem naturally, right at home, without using harsh chemical laxatives or expensive detox kits? What if all it takes is one powerful food that you can eat in the morning, and sometimes again before bed, to flush out your entire colon in as little as 10 minutes? No gimmicks, no side effects. Just pure, gentle cleansing power from something you may already have in your kitchen. The food I'm talking about is flaxseed. Yes, the tiny brown or golden seeds you might have seen in a grocery store or health shop. These seeds are a powerhouse of natural fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and healing compounds that can literally transform your gut health in just a few days. Let me explain how. Flax seeds contain two types of fiber: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This helps soften the stool and makes it easier to pass. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, which helps push it through the intestines like a natural broom. Together, they clean your colon by removing stuck waste, toxins, and mucus buildup that have been sitting in your system for days or even weeks. But the benefits don't stop there. Flax seeds also act as a prebiotic. This means they feed your healthy gut bacteria, the good microbes that live inside your colon. When these bacteria are fed properly, they produce something called short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which help reduce inflammation in your gut, heal the colon lining, and make digestion smoother. In other words, flax seeds not only clean your colon, they help fix it from the inside out. Now here's what's shocking. Research shows that even 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed a day can increase bowel movement frequency, reduce constipation, and improve overall digestion in people over 60. In fact, a study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who took flax daily had significantly better digestive health in just 2 weeks. Some even saw results in just a few days. For many, it started working in 10 to 30 minutes, depending on their hydration level and how blocked they were. So, how do you use flaxseed the right way to cleanse your colon effectively and safely? First, make sure to use ground flaxseed, not whole seeds. Whole seeds pass through your digestive tract without breaking down, so they won't have the same benefits. You can either buy pre-ground flaxseed or grind it yourself at home using a spice grinder. Once you have ground flaxseed, take 1 tablespoon and mix it in a glass of warm water, about 200 milliliters. Stir it well and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. That's it. If you prefer, you can also mix it into a spoonful of yogurt, a bowl of oats, or a smoothie. But for best results, take it with just water so the fiber can expand properly. And don't stop there. For a deeper colon cleanse, take another tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed in water before bed. Why before bed? Because your digestive system continues to work even while you sleep. Taking flax at night allows it to soak up toxins, sweep through your intestines, and prepare your colon for a full release the next morning. You'll wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more refreshed. But one thing is very important. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. Flaxseed absorbs water to do its job. If you don't drink enough, it could cause more constipation. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily while doing this cleanse. Another question you might ask: is flaxseed safe for seniors? Yes, in most cases. It's a natural food with no artificial chemicals or harmful side effects. However, if you are on blood-thinning medications, or have a medical condition like intestinal blockage or diverticulitis, talk to your doctor first. Now you might wonder, why not just use a laxative or colon cleanse product from the pharmacy? Because those options often contain harsh chemicals that force your colon to empty unnaturally. They don't fix the root cause. Over time, your colon becomes dependent on them and stops working on its own. That's why people who use laxatives regularly often struggle with weaker digestion in the long run. Flaxseed is different. It supports your body's natural rhythm. It strengthens your intestines instead of weakening them. It builds a healthier gut environment over time, not just a one-time flush. And best of all, it doesn't cost much. You can buy a whole month's supply of flax for the price of a fancy coffee. Now, let's talk results. What can you expect if you start taking flaxseed today? First, your bowel movements will become more regular. Usually within a few days, you'll feel less bloated, less heavy, and more energized. Your stomach may even look flatter as waste leaves your body. Over time, you may notice clearer skin, better mood, and even weight loss, because a clean colon helps your metabolism work better. Your immune system also improves, because over 70% of your immune cells live in your gut. That's why people with a healthy colon often get sick less. And if you're someone who struggles with brain fog or forgetfulness, you may find your mind becoming clearer. Yes, your gut health directly affects your brain. So when your colon is clean, your brain works better too. And it all starts with 1 tablespoon of flax in the morning, and maybe 1 more before bed. So don't ignore the warning signs your body is sending. If your belly feels heavy, your digestion is slow, your energy is low, or you feel backed up for days, take action now. You don't need to suffer. Nature has already given you the solution. All right, folks, here's what you need to do. Head over to your kitchen, grab that flaxseed, and kickstart your gentle colon cleanse today. Trust me, your body will thank you. So, now that you're in the know about how powerful flaxseed can be for your colon, let's take this up a notch. We can make your cleanse even more effective by adding 2 more natural ingredients. They're safe, simple, and easy to find. Those 2 ingredients are chia seeds and fresh lemon juice. When you mix them with flaxseed, you're crafting a natural colon cleansing drink that works faster, deeper, and more gently than anything you'll find at the pharmacy. This 3-ingredient blend does wonders. It hydrates the intestines, scrubs the colon walls, softens dry stool, and flushes out toxic waste sitting deep inside your gut. You know, many people report heading to the bathroom just 10 to 30 minutes after drinking it, and honestly, they feel lighter, more relaxed, and even more energetic that very same day. So, why does this mix work so well? Well, first, let's take a look at chia seeds. Like flax seeds, chia seeds are extremely rich in fiber. But what really makes chia special is its ability to absorb water, up to 12 times its weight, forming a gel-like substance that moves through your colon, kind of like a soft brush. This gel actually binds to waste and gently pushes it out. Chia seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids and powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your gut, repair damage to the colon lining, and support healthy bowel movements. When taken regularly, chia seeds can improve regularity, relieve constipation, and restore balance to your digestive system. According to a 2021 study published in Food and Function, chia consumption significantly improved gut transit time and bowel regularity in older adults, making it ideal for seniors. Now, let's add the 3rd ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice may seem simple, but it plays a very important role in this mix. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and antioxidants. When you drink lemon juice, it stimulates your liver to produce more bile. Bile helps break down fats and carries waste products out of your body. Lemon juice also increases stomach acid slightly, which helps improve digestion. You know, most seniors just don't make enough stomach acid, and that can really lead to slow digestion, gas, and bloating. But here's the good news. Lemon actually fixes that problem. It also helps detoxify your blood, supports your kidneys, and gives your body a fresh start every morning. So, together, these three ingredients, flax, chia, and lemon, form a really powerful colon cleansing team. They hydrate your digestive system, break down stuck waste, feed good bacteria, and support complete elimination of toxic buildup. Now, here's how to prepare the drink. First, take 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and the juice of half a lemon. Put all 3 into a glass. Then, add about 200 milliliters, or 1 glass of warm water. Stir the mix well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the mixture begins to thicken slightly. This is the fiber doing its job, absorbing water and becoming a gentle cleanser for your colon. After it thickens a bit, drink it slowly, preferably on an empty stomach. You can drink it first thing in the morning or right before going to bed. If you choose to take it at night, your body will digest it while you sleep and, you may wake up needing to go to the bathroom in the morning with a full, satisfying bowel movement. For those who are more sensitive, it might take a day or 2 to fully activate, depending on how dehydrated or backed up your system is. But honestly, most people feel lighter within a day. Now, here are a few important tips. Always drink an extra glass of water after you drink the cleanse mix. Why? Because both chia and flax expand inside your gut and absorb water. If you don't drink enough fluids, they can actually slow digestion instead of helping. Hydration really is key here. So, aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day while you're doing this cleanse. Also, try to avoid processed foods during your cleansing days. No fried food, white bread, or sugary snacks. Instead, stick to whole fruits, vegetables, oats, soups, and clean proteins. Your body needs light, nourishing food to help flush out the toxins. And try to move your body a little too. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of walking after meals can stimulate your intestines and help move waste through your colon faster. Now, you may be wondering, how long should I take this colon cleanse? If you've never done a colon reset or you've been constipated for a long time, try this cleanse for 7 to 10 days straight. Most seniors feel better by day 3. But if your digestion is very slow, you can safely continue for up to 14 days. After that, take a break for a few weeks and do it again when needed. Doing this cleanse once every month or 2 keeps your system clean, light, and toxin-free. Let's talk about results. What exactly should you expect after doing this natural colon cleanse? First, you will feel more regular. Instead of struggling on the toilet, you will start to have smooth daily bowel movements. Second, your stomach will feel lighter. Many people lose 1 to 3 pounds of stuck waste. Not fat, just toxic buildup within the first few days. Third, you will have less bloating and gas. Your digestion will improve because your intestines are clean and free from blockage. Fourth, you may notice more energy. When your colon is clogged, your body uses a lot of energy to manage toxins. Once that burden is removed, your energy comes back. Fifth, you might sleep better. Yes, gut health is connected to sleep. A healthy colon supports the production of serotonin, which regulates your mood and sleep patterns. And sixth, your skin may improve. Many skin problems like acne, dull skin, or dryness are actually linked to internal toxins. A clean colon can really give your skin a fresh glow. But here's the best part. This cleanse doesn't require any expensive products, powders, or fancy kits. It's 100% natural, food-based, and gentle on your body. Unlike those harsh laxatives that might damage your colon lining or even cause dehydration, this method works with your body, not against it. It actually strengthens your digestive system over time, so your bowel movements become natural and, pretty effortless. And it's safe for most people over 50. However, as always, if you have a serious digestive condition or you're taking medications, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before starting. Another benefit: you don't need to do it forever. Just a few days each month can help maintain colon health and prevent future problems. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning feeling light. You go to the bathroom easily and completely. No bloating, no pain, no gas. You eat your breakfast and feel energized, not heavy. You go about your day without feeling sluggish or tired. Your mind feels clearer. Your mood is better. This is what happens when your colon is clean and functioning at its best. Most people don't realize how much their gut affects their whole life until they finally experience what a clean digestive system feels like. So if you're a senior who's been feeling off, tired, bloated, or constipated, don't ignore it. Your body is asking for help. Start with this natural cleanse today. All you need is flaxseed, chia seeds, lemon, and warm water. Just 4 simple things. But together, they can change how you feel, think, and move. You have the power to take control of your colon health without pills, without chemicals, and without side effects. And it takes just 10 minutes a day. Do it before bed or first thing in the morning. But whatever you do, just start. Your colon is the foundation of your health. Keep it clean, and everything else starts to improve. Your energy, your mood, your skin, your weight, and even your heart. This isn't a trend. It's nature's way of healing. So let nature work for you. Go to your kitchen, prepare the drink, and feel the change. This is your moment to reset your health, 1 tablespoon at a time. Start now. Your body will thank